Miraculous Beauties here with another video of this DIY flower backdrop. Stay tuned and watch how I do it. I use 2 project boards and I tape them together on top. You can do it side by side or on top, whichever works for you. I bought all of these things from Dollar Tree and Walmart. So all of these supplies came up to under $100. I bought glue sticks, glue gun, acrylic glitter paint, like 60 bouquets of fake flowers from Dollar Tree, and the leaves I used as well. Probably not, but get into it. Okay. Wow. Have this on my glasses. Very. What we gonna do first? Anyways, so what we gonna do first? So come on. So I started spreading the acrylic glitter glue everywhere. It was me and my sisters helping me, and I just spread them all over the place. The only reason I added the glitter so that way when there's gaps in the background of the flowers, they can be covered or like just blended in a like magical way. Then once I finish spreading all the glitter, I go ahead and spray it with the adhesive glue spray so that way it can just set everything. Then I pull all of the flowers out of the bouquet stem. Some of the leaves I ripped off as well, and I just took all of them out. I even had like these, you know, those Hawaiian necklaces that has flowers on them. I use those as well. You can get them from Dollar Tree, as you see I'm putting right now, and I just like cut it and pull them all apart. I ended up not using any of the glue sticks or glues to stick it. The only glue I used was the glue gun. So I'll either like spread the glue on the board and just stick them on there, or I'll put the glue on the back of the flower and press it down. And that's basically what I did the whole thing. And I just stuffed them in together. Any gaps, I just stuffed flowers in there. all of the Hawaii bracelet flowers, I would spread them out, and then I would just like fill them in from there and just keep on gluing. Any gaps, fill them in, like don't leave no gaps, even if you have to put them on top of each other to give it more of a blossom look, you can do that. Alright, here is it's half done and we're about to show you the finishing look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching.